So remember when we studied our bald actions last chapter, we said that they don't just occur in a vacuum.
Mm-hmm.
We said there are 5 scenarios in which bald actions occur. So now that we've studied bald actions, we're ready to start looking at the scenarios one by one.
All right.
Ready for the first scenario?
Mm-hmm.
So the first scenario of bald actions is what we call shaving words. Shaving words. And they're pretty straightforward. It's just a set of words that shave a present tense action, meaning they shave the ending off the action. So if you see one of these shaving words before a present tense, it's going to shave off the ending, and it's going to be followed by a bald action.
So basically, we spot one of these words, and it's this word plus bald action.
Yes, this word plus bald action.
Does the bald action come immediately after?
Yes,
Okay.
it'll come immediately after one of these words. So you're going to have to memorize these words, right? These are our shaving words. So the first one is lem, which translates as did not.
Okay.
Right, and lem will come before a present tense, but it will still translate as did not.
Okay.
It kind of knocks it to the past.
So it comes before a present tense,
Uh-huh.
but still translates as past.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. And then the second word is li, which attaches to the beginning, and it means should.
Okay.
Right? And then well
like
and
someone should do something.
yeah, someone should do something,
Okay.
like you should blah. Right?
Okay.
And then well and fel, the last two are actually kind of offshoots of li, right? It's just li with a wa at the beginning or li with a fa at the beginning, meaning and should, right? Because wa means and, or then should, because fa means then.
But it's no longer li. It's not wali. It's
Yeah.
just wal.
Yeah, just to make it smoother,
Okay.
right? It sounds smoother. So it's essentially 2 shaving words,
Yeah.
right? With 2, when one of them has 2 offshoots.
Okay.
Right? So if you see these coming before a present tense, right, that you'll have a bald action following them.
All right.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Let's look at some examples. Okay. يقول يا ليتني لم أشرك بربي أحدا. So we have our shaving word lem here.
All right.
And then what do you notice about ushrik?
It's bald because of the sukun at the ending.
It's bald because of the sukun, right? So you have a shaving word, right? Shaving the ending indicator of our present tense action, turning it bald,
Okay.
right? And then we know that ashraka means to associate partners, right?
Mhm.
Or associate someone. But here you notice how it's translating, I did not associate.
Yeah.
Because lem translates as did not.
Okay.
Okay. Another example. فَلْيَسْتَجِيبُوا لِي وَلْيُؤْمِنُوا بِي. So our shaving word here is fal. Right? And then what do you notice about yastajibu?
It's bald because it has the wow ending.
Yeah, it has the wow ending, meaning the noon was knocked off. So it's yastajibuna. And then you notice how it translates, they should respond.
Okay.
Right? They should respond. So that's how the fal translates as should. Right? And then we have wal yu'minu. Right? Wal is a shaving word. What do you notice about yu'minu?
It's bald because it has a wow ending.
Has a wow ending, meaning the noon was knocked off. Right? And then notice how it translates, and they should.
Okay.
Right? So and should. Pretty straightforward, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, one more example. وَلْيَضْرِبْنَ بِخُمُرِهِنْ. Well is our shaving word. What do you notice about يَضْرِبْنَ?
It's no changes.
Right, because يَضْرِبْنَ is what form?
Hunna, ya, and na, so they feminine.
Yeah, it's a feminine form, and what we said about feminine form is that they don't change.
Hijab stays
Yeah.
on.
So how do we know that's bald? You had asked, right? How will we know if it shows no changes?
Because it has a shaving word before it.
There's a shaving word coming before it,
Okay.
right? So are we clear?
It's so it's just a shaving word plus a bald action.
Yeah, so the first scenario of bald action is if you have a shaving word before it, knocks off the ending indicator, and it'll be followed by a bald action.
Okay.
Make
cool.
sure to memorize your shaving words.
Alrighty, we'll do.